sneeze in public places with the most nastiest, disgustingest spit, not covering their mouth sneeze. When I tell you, this grinds my gears. Now, I remember my first job out of college, and I remember it was this lady. I don't want to say her name because I love her so much. That was one of the first times that I heard the most disgustingest sneeze in an office that echoed around the entire office. And it's one of those sneezes where you can hear all the drip drops of mucus. It's almost like it's one of them sneezes that you carried for 9 months in your nostrils and you birth it in front of everybody, and we all get the unfavorable pleasure of hearing you sneeze.
Melanie Peeve. Talk to him.
Scary with Melanie Peeve. That's scary with Melanie Peeve. Come on, here we go.